9. Bibliography. Baker, K. and Beals, P.L. 2009. Making Sense of Cilia in Disease, The Human Ciliopathies. In Am.J. Med. Genet. C. Semin. Med. Genet. 151C, 281-95. Baker, K. et al. 2010. Neocortical and hippocampal volume loss in a human ciliopathy. A quantitative MRI study in Bardet-Biedl syndrome. American Journal of Medical Genetics, Part A, 155, pages 1 to 8. Barnett S. et al., 2002. Behavioral Phenotype of Bardet-Biedl Syndrome. Journal of Medical Genetics 39, brackets 12, close brackets, page E76. Beals, P.L. et al., 1997, Bardet-Biedl Syndrome, a molecular and phenotypic study of 18 families. Journal of Medical Genetics 34, brackets 2, close brackets, pages 92 to 98. Beals, P.L. et al., 1999, New Criteria for Improved Diagnosis of Bardet-Biedl Syndrome, Results of a Population Survey. Journal of Medical Genetics 36, brackets 6, close brackets, pages 437 to 446. Batterai S. et al., that's Batterai spelt B-H-A-T-T-A-R-A-I, Increased Prevalence of Epilepsy in Bardet-Biedl Syndrome. Poster presentation, Marshfield Clinic Research Foundation, Marshfield, Wisconsin. https://www.bbs-registry.org/seizures-in-BBS-poster. Bloomer et al. In Press, that's Bloomer spelt B-L-U-M-E-R. Cettiner M, that's Cettiner spelled C-E-T-I-N-E-R, Finkelberg I, Sheepek F, that's Sheepek spelled S-C-H-I-E-P-E-K, et al., 2024. Ultrasound Evaluation of Kidney and Liver Involvement in Bardet-Biedl Syndrome. Orphanet Journal of Rare Diseases 19, 425. Deniston A.K. et al., 2014. Evaluation of Visual Function and Needs in Adult Patients with Bardet-Biedl Syndrome. Retina, Philadelphia, PA, 34, brackets 11, close brackets, pages 2282 to 2289. Dolphus H. et al., that's Dolphus spelled D-O-L-L-F-U-S, 2024. Bardet-Biedl Syndrome, Improved Diagnosis Criteria and Management, Inter-European Reference Network's Consensus Statement and Recommendations. European Journal of Human Genetics, EJHG, 32, brackets 11, close brackets, pages 1347 to 1360. Forsyth E. and Beals, P.L., 2013. Bardet-Biedl Syndrome in Ur J. Hum Genet, 21, 8 to 13. www.ncbi.nih.gov/PMC/PMC 3522-196. Forsyth E. et al., 2017. Risk Factors for Severe Renal Disease in Bardet-Biedl Syndrome. Journal of the American Society of Nephrology, JASN, 28, brackets 3, close brackets, pages 963 to 970. Forsyth E. et al., 2018. Managing Bardet-Biedl Syndrome, Now and in the Future. Frontiers in Pediatrics 6, page 23. Grace C. et al., 2003. Energy Metabolism in Bardet-Biedl Syndrome. International Journal of Obesity and Related Metabolic Disorders, Journal of the International Association for the Study of Obesity, 27, brackets 11, close brackets, pages 1319 to 1324. Imhoff O, that's Imhoff spelled I-M-H-O-F-F, et al., 2011. Bardet-Biedl syndrome, a study of the renal and cardiovascular phenotypes in a French cohort. Clinical Journal of the American Society of Nephrology, CJASN, 6(1), pages 22 to 29. Kerr E.N., Bahn A, that's Bahn spelt B-H-A-N, and Heon E, that's Heon spelt H-E with an acute accent, O-N, 2016. Exploration of the cognitive, adaptive, and behavioral functionings of patients affected with Bardet-Biedl syndrome. Clinical Genetics 89, (4), pages 426 to 433. Mehrotra N, that's Mehrotra spelt M-E-H-R-O-T-R-A, Taube S, that's Taube spelt T-A-U-B, and Covert R.F. 1997. Hydrometrocolpus as a neonatal manifestation of the Bardet-Biedl syndrome, in Am. J. Med. Genet, 69, 220. Moore S.J. et al., 2005. Clinical and Genetic Epidemiology of Bardet-Biedl syndrome in Newfoundland, a 22-year prospective population-based cohort study. American Journal of Medical Genetics Part A, 132A, (4), pages 352 to 360. Mujahid S. et al., that's Mujahid spelled M-U-J-A-H-I-D, 2018. The Endocrine and Metabolic Characteristics of a Large Bardet-Biedl Syndrome Clinic Population, in J. Clin Endocrinology Metab, 103 (5), 1834 to 1841, DOI 10.1210/JC.2017-01459. Schumacher A., Dixon M., Beals P.L., and Hogg C.L., 2015. Bardet-Biedl syndrome, motile ciliary phenotype. Chest 147 (3), 764 to 770. Tomlinson J., 2024. Bardet-Biedl syndrome, a focus on genetics, mechanisms, and metabolic dysfunction. In Diabetes, Obesity, and Metabolism, 2024. 26, Supplement 2, 13 to 24. Additional data provided by NHSE Bardet-Biedl Syndrome Clinic Service. BBS UK, Bardet-Biedl Syndrome UK. Registered charity number 1181244. www.bbsuk.org.uk. admin@bbsuk.org.uk. Registered address 43 Bolton Way, Dovercourt, Harwich, Essex, CO12 4UP. Facebook, X, YouTube. Production date March 2016. Reviewed 2024 to 2025. Next review date September 2028. Trusted Information Creator, Patient Information Forum.